So what do you want to do if you want to buy a house, or what do you need to do if you want to buy a house in 2022? Well, the very first thing you can do is contact a lender. Because you know what? The worst they can do is tell you no. You're not going to die. No one's going to lose a limb by applying for a loan. And it really gives you a good starting point, because what if it's a yes? How exciting is that? And if it's a no, maybe it's a no for now and not necessarily a no forever. And maybe that lender can give you advice on what to work on, so it's a yes for the future if it's a no for now. So the number one step if you want to buy a house in 2022 is to immediately contact a mortgage lender for a no cost, no obligation pre-approval to see what program might be available to you and what program might meet your needs. You don't need 20% down to buy a house. Some people will, but most people don't. There are 100% loans for non-veterans, 100% loans for veterans. There's 97% conventional loans, 96.5% FHA loans. There are grants available, bonds available. There's an abundance of things out there. So the first place to start is with that mortgage lender. Now let's say that you, which I completely don't agree, but it's all right, we can agree to disagree. Let's just say that you're just too scared to do that yet. Well, then go ahead and go to annualcreditreport.com. That's annualcreditreport.com, and pull your free credit report. Do not pay for scores. Just pull the report and see what's on there, because most likely if you are so scared to call me, it's probably because you're worried about your credit. So just see what that looks like. That website's going to show you what's wrong, why it's low, why it's high if it's high, what to do to fix it. It's a really great free resource where no one's trying to sell you anything. It's just informational. So contact the lender, check out the credit if you're really too scared to contact the lender, but all they can do is tell you no, so definitely call them first, and not until you've got a pre-approval. Not until you have that pre-approval should you look at a house, or should you call a real estate agent. Because if you do, it's like buying the car when you can't have your license for 2 years. You've got to start first with that license or that pre-approval, so you can start shopping for houses, get with a great realtor, and figure out what the best option is going to be for you when it comes to financing, and what house, in what area. And I promise you, it is not as scary as it sounds. If I can help you, just reach out, 985-300-LOAN or weeksteam.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one.